To the Kickstart Commerce tutorial, and in today's tutorial I'm actually going to share with you how to schedule content updates in WordPress. And so you may have a situation to where, for instance, in this example, we're going to use something called the 12 days of Christmas. So you want one unique URL, but you want to be able to update that content automatically without having to manually go and update it yourself for each of the 12 days of Christmas. And so let's go ahead and get logged into WordPress. I'm using a local hosted version of WordPress, just a plain Jane vanilla version. And so go ahead and go to the admin area. Let's go to plugins and add new. And the WordPress plugin that we'll use today is called Content Update Scheduler. And some of you know I did a video not too long ago about the tile schedule update, and it was by far one of my favorite ones to use. And I'll get it pulled up here. It's by far one of my favorite ones to use because you could take and copy, a post, a page, what have you, change it, make replacements, do whatever, and then post it on a new day, but still using that same URL. And so that's the beauty. Now, that being said, what has replaced it is the content update scheduler. And so basically, instead of typing tile schedule update, you'll just need to type in content update scheduler. It should show, and then we're going to go ahead and install and activate. And once we activate, then we'll jump over to a post, and we will. There we go. So we already have 12 days of Christmas. So I already created a post called 12 days of Christmas. But as you can see, when you hover over it, it shows schedule content update. So this post already exists. It was already published. So now we want to click the scheduled content update. And once the page loads, we will go to the right-hand side, go all the way down. And now you can see it basically has a release date and then that given day, that given time rather of the day. So, if we wanted this to be on the 26th of November, or, obviously in this case, it would be 12 days of Christmas. So it would likely be in December, but you would go ahead, put the date in, put the release date in, put the time in, and then go ahead and make the necessary changes to the content. We'll just add a little something there, and so go back to document 26, and then we are going to hit publish. We'll hit publish again. It'll update, and that's fine. And then when we go back, now you can see we have the 12 days of Christmas, the original post, and now we have a scheduled content update with the release date and the time. And so the original still has the test in it, but then the scheduled content now has the test and then the 2 additional lines that I added. And the beauty about this is that now you don't have to have 12 different URLs to remember or to update. You only have the one URL, and then people can still return. So if you have something that is time sensitive, using this WordPress plugin, the content update scheduler plugin, is a great resource to be able to magically, if you will, update your content or release content by a set date and time, and not have to be the person to be there to do it. So I hope this helps you out. Like I said, good luck with this, and it does replace the tile schedule update plugin, which has no longer been supported now over the past. It's going on 2 years old, and it's not had an update. So that being said, the content update scheduler should do the trick for you. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel where I share with you tips and tricks about search marketing, WordPress tips and tricks, as well as domain name strategies to help grow your business. Also, please visit kickstartcommerce.com. Go down to the right-hand side, subscribe to the daily newsletter where we're talking about the tips and tricks of digital strategies to help grow your business. So that being said, hey, we look forward to seeing you back here next week.